Hi, and welcome to AIG's VBS Mystery Island. So today we're going to do day 1, versions 1 and 2, and follow up with our extra craft. So first one here is going to be the pre-primary, and it's very simple, just follow directions along, but the materials you need would be a paper towel tube, just cut it in half, measure out your craft roll paper to that size, and you're simply going to crumple it up, use glue stick around the paper towel tube, squeeze it down really good so it's nice and tight, and then set that aside. You will have a tree patterns that you'll simply cut out through all the different items there. And there's going to be a little inset pert. You fold it in half. There's a little cutout that you do really close to the front. And then you're simply going to slip it into the top part of the tube. And from there, you kind of do that 3 times. From there, you'll see on our final project that is all stretched out all the way across. On the bottom, we're using model clay. And that's pretty simple. You can buy anywhere. And you'll just kind of form it around the bottom of the piece, just kind of flatten it out. We have some seashells you can also add to that. You just kind of squish them around the sides and the bottom of it, and then it literally just places right down on top of the little verse that we have for the water. So that's our pre-primary. We're going to take a little more time here on the version 2, which is the juniors. So we're going to kind of go through those with you just to make sure that you kind of follow the directions, because it can be a little tricky. So the first off, you have 4 of the brown chenille stems. They're full. You're going to fold those in half. And then from there, you're going to have your 4 green chenille stems that you cut in half. So you actually have 8. You're going to center the 4 bent brown ones around the 8 green chenilles right in the center. And you're going to twist it twice so it keeps it nice and tight at the top. From there, you're going to pull 3, just select 3 different stems, slide them up, and you're going to have 3 wood beads that you'll slide onto the pieces from there. And then you'll bend them right back down so it holds it in place. And then once you do that, you're going to actually just kind of twist it all the way down so it looks like the tree trunk. All right. Just a little side note for the wood beads, you can actually find them at Michael's, Hobby Lobby. If you need bulk items, Factory Direct has them. You can even look on Amazon as well. They have them pretty much right there for you. All right. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to start spreading out all of your green chenille stems so they kind of start to form the branches of the tree. They look like little limbs and stuff. So you just kind of, and it's to the kids' heart's delight, however they want to spread it, however they want to decorate it. From there, once they're all spread out how they like them, you simply just bend it in half, kind of curl it down underneath. It gives it a little more form of a palm tree leaf. And you just kind of do that all the way around. And this might take a little bit of time with the kids, but sometimes they like them straight, sometimes they like them a little twisty, but it just makes it their own, and they really enjoyed that part of it. So once we do that, we're going to take the clay and just kind of work it around. Kind of what you do is you kind of roll it into like a snake. From there, you kind of wrap it around until it looks kind of like a donut hole. From there, you slide the stems down underneath, just about like 1/4 of an inch, and then just start spreading them out under on the clay. That way it kind of holds everything in place for you. Once you do that, and it's kind of secure, you place it right down on your little verse right here. Just kind of squish and firmly form it around the whole piece. You'll also have 3 or 4 different little seashells. Again, you can get those at Oriental Trading. Factory Direct has them. Even local stores have them. And just kind of squish 3, 4, however many you guys want onto there. You'll see them. The clay will dry white, so it looks more like sand. And then from there, it looks just like this. And again, the big tie-in on this that we really did enjoy was just, it's Mystery Island. We're starting off with a bang, and just how great is the Lord. And it's just, we're starting off on an island, and we're just kind of learning from there. Our extra craft that we have today is really, really simple. You just simply get glass beads and a little magnet and paper, and you just kind of decorate the little white paper that goes on underneath, and it's God is in a heart for love. You simply just glue dot it on. And then your magnet you can glue down as well, and they can put it right on their fridges. But it's pretty simple, easy, straightforward. You can get that stuff pretty much anywhere. And that's day 1.